my goodness, y'all. Look outside. It's snow. The enemy has arrived. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing great. Today is Vlogmas day 9 and we in here. Yes, we are in here because we ain't coming out today. Oh no. No interaction with the enemy.
Good morning.
Isn't my daughter so beautiful, y'all? She's so absolutely gorgeous.
I'm not a baby.
I didn't say you're baby. I said you're absolutely gorgeous.
I am not a donut.
You're not a donut. You're gorgeous.
And I am not gorgeous.
Of course you are. You're a pretty princess.
Ah!
You want to be a pretty princess instead
Yeah.
of gorgeous?
No, I just want to be a princess.
You are a princess. A beautiful, pretty princess.
Thanks.
You're welcome, love. What are we going to do today?
Just watching TV.
That's what we can do, just watch TV all day?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I do.
I don't think so.
I do.
You're too funny. So today is Saturday and that means tomorrow is Sunday. So I gotta get my Sunday best ready. Anyway, I don't feel like dealing with my hair, so I think I'm gonna wig it out this week. So this is what I'm doing. I am gonna wash this thing and set it up under the dryer so that'll be all nice and pretty. And y'all might be wondering why y'all ain't see my face right now because it's not ready. I am not ready. I'm looking rough. Rough. Me that scare about 10 duppy, I know. At that rate, I'm not gonna catch no heart attack or stroke. Anyway, listen to this little song that I've been feeling lately. I've been feeling the song lately. The first time I heard it, I was like, not too sure about it, but now I'm really feeling it. And it is Dre Island and Popcorn, We Pray. Listen to the lyrics, y'all.
Run the trace, mama says son be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to me people that me embrace. The truth are the truth and that can't erase. So hell to all of those who want hate. Just send me to finish this race. So we ain't giving up now. We put up a fight.
Now I have this, which is like the head stabilizer to attach it. So I'm just gonna put her on there. Boom. Now she's stable. Well, alright, so she's dripping a little bit. So I'm just putting this towel here to kind of protect my floors from getting wet and all slippery. So now we're gonna take our wide tooth comb and we're just gonna comb through the hair, okay? Because we want to make sure that her hair is nicely detangled. Alright. So just go ahead and comb out her hair. Doesn't she have wonderful, beautiful curls? They're just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. Alright, now I think her hair is detangled enough, okay?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Daddy.
What is that?
This is a mannequin head. See her curls? Her curls are beautiful.
Yes, that.
Yeah. And I'm going to be using this very expensive, exclusive, wonderful gel on her hair today. Not really. Y'all know I don't like this gel. This is the Eco Style coconut gel. I have my olive oil one, but I'm not using my olive oil one on a wig when I got to get rid of this one. And this one actually works on the wig. Like I told y'all before, I don't know if it's due to the texture, why that one doesn't do well on my hair, but I'm gonna use it on this, honey, because we do not have a product to waste. My head doesn't want to stay up. They don't want to hold their head straight. You guys remember when you guys were kids and your parents just straight cussing you about holding your hair straight, keeping your hair? Keep your head straight. Also, I have this little water bottle here because I want the hair to be nice and wet. And I'm basically just giving my wig a little washing go. I saw some girl going like this, rubbing the bottoms of her hair. I don't know why she did it. I guess it's to clump it, and then she kind of went like that. I don't know if that's gonna work for this wig. I think I'm just gonna have to stick to the evil I know. Plus, this seems like it's gonna take a lot of time. Well, I guess it's working, but ain't nobody got time for that. When I wear this wig, sometimes y'all, people think it's my hair, because what I usually do is I do a twist in the front of my hair to kind of blend in with this hair. So some people think that it's mine. Like, someone said to me one time, girl, I told you could do the whole natural thing. I knew you could do it. I'm like, this is a wig, but thank you. Yeah, some people, they just love when I wear my hair in its natural state now. And some people are like, oh, you shouldn't wear your hair any other way. But you know, a girl gotta have options. So sometimes I like it curly, sometimes I like it straight.
But we ran out of cookies.
What'd you say, Clayton?
We ran out of
Clayton, what's the problem?
cookies.
It's empty?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's empty.
It's empty? The cookies are empty?
Yeah. Because you and me and Clayton just ate them all.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say I ate them all. I was gonna say y'all ate half the pack.
No.
Oh no, look at the face. Oh no. Look who's here, guys. My wonderful mom. I know I look crazy.
Yes, that you do.
She brought us some soup on this snowy day. Is my mommy awesome? Can you braid my hair, mommy? You see, guys, I was saying to the Lord that I look crazy and I want to wear my wig, but I don't want to braid my hair myself. And then the stylist shows up at my house.
Hello, people.
Look at this excitement now.
Hello. Hi. Big soup for you, yes?
Yay! Mommy, and for me.
Yeah.
For me and for you.
Your soup.
Where's my hug?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
And Grandma.
Hi, Savannah.
Savvy not giving grandma a hug.
Where's my hug?
This is excitement overload here.
I love you.
And Grandma.
That's my hat.
So I just took my shower, washed my hair. This is what it's looking like. Mommy's gonna braid it for me.
Mommy, Gary said
Did I tell y'all that my mom is God sent right now? Like, really don't feel like doing my own hair, so
Mommy,
this is a serious
Grandma said
lesson.
we can help you.
Do what?
Help you do your hair.
You gonna pass grandma the pieces, or you want me to just sit on the floor?
Do it, Mommy.
Tree.
Thank you. I still need a topper. I still need to make the topper.
Oh, that's a big tree.
Grandma, we almost have to put the stove up top.
Yeah, that's a big tree. Almost
Yeah.
looks like the one in the mall.
Where's the one that says your name on it? Show grandma.
Ika. This is Ika.
Nice.
And this is a snowman.
And this is a snowman.
Okay. Clayton, please put those back. These little boys always stealing stuff. Put those back, please. Thank you. Just put them down. Don't do anything with them. So guys, this is my wig. I'm having it dry under the hooded dryer. It's getting there, you guys see? And this is my little setup. This is what I do. On top of my salon dryer chair, I put my ottoman and then the board with the little attachment here so that it can sit up high enough to be under the dryer. My mom braided up my hair to put my wig in. And yeah, I'm gonna flat twist the front and stuff. I'll show you guys outside again. Yeah. The snow is settling down. It was just like a bit of a dusting, but I believe well, it's still snowing, and I think that it's supposed to continue. They said up to 5 inches, so we shall see. Let's go check on the kiddos. This is where I sat for my mom to do my hair and stuff, but let's see what they're doing. Hey guys. You want back grandma? Yeah, grandma had to go home because yeah, cause it's snowing. She went home. Let me show you guys the greatness that my mom just brought for us. Ugh. I am so grateful. Look at that. Look at all of that chicken and mini dumplings. Look at that. It smells so good. My mom usually likes to make chicken soup when it's snowing outside or it's really cold. So yeah, I know that was really nice of her to come visit us and bring us soup on this snowy day. Like I tell you guys before, that's the benefit of living fairly close to your family. Like I live about 15 minutes away from my mom, so not too much of a drive to get here to me or for me to get to her. But the little visit was really nice and really appreciated. Thank you, mommy, for stopping by and doing my hair and bringing us some food. We love ya. I know Mundo will be happy when he comes home to get some of this. I'll grab these 2 little bowls. Y'all, have you guys ever seen these bowls? I'm not sure if I've ever shown them to you before, but I love them. They have like little straws on them, and they are 99 cents at like your local supermarket. So the kids don't like dumpling, so I'm not gonna put any dumpling in theirs. Or you know what, I might try to cut it up and put it in there for them. I'm gonna take them back out and cut it up. Hey guys, so I know today was a very simple day, not much going on, and especially with it being snowing outside, it was just definitely a day to kind of get things in order and relax. So I hope you guys did enjoy my video. Thank you guys for tagging along throughout my day. I really do appreciate it. Tomorrow is church, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for that. It's still really early, like it's like 7:30, but it's really dark outside and the snow is still going. Hubby's napping out on the couch and the kids are watching a movie in their room, so I am getting a little bit of quiet time. Let me show you guys the snow outside. So as you guys can see, it is still snowing, so we are locked in for the night, and I hope you guys all have a blessed night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.